Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I believe you are doing fine today. Today we'll be making this beautiful triangle top. Guys, can you see? Ladies, you know what? You see how sunny everywhere is. So what you need in this particular weather is this kind of top I'm putting on. So if you are a fashion designer, you are a tailor, and you don't know how to make this Bubu triangle top, watch out, because we are going to make this magic now. So guys, let's get started. So guys, what you are going to do first is you fold your, if you are someone, if you are size, if you are from size 10 and above, I will advise you use 1.5 yard of fabric. But for this beautiful one you see on me, I used just 1 yard. That's because I'm of a small stature. So if you have a stature from size 6 to size 8 to size 10, you can work with 1 yard. But from size 10 and above, so you can do 1.5. So I'm working on 1.5 yards. Why? Because the client that has this particular one I want to make, she's a little bit chubby than me, so I'm working with 1.5 yards. So what you're going to do first is you fold your fabric as you see me doing, like so you fold it into, cone, like as if you want to cut a flare. So having done that, you fold again. Why will you fold again? The reason is because you want to cut both the front and the back together. So you fold your own as you see me doing, like so guys, this material is a little bit slippery. So if you are working with a slippery material, just ensure you lay it well. There is no need to rush, so don't rush yourself. Just try and fold it well so that your calculation will be right. Okay, so so ensure you have your 4 folds well laid. Ensure it is well laid. So having done that, what you will do is you come to your starting line here. For this one you see on me, I used 7. But if you want you work with your preference anyway. If you want your own to be fall more than this one, you can work with 8. You can work with at most 9, because you wouldn't want your top to start from here. So I want to work with 9. Pause. 9 for this particular video. So I'll look for where my 9 starts. Say chalk. So see me doing like so. So that's for the neck, right? So for the shoulder, you come to this edge. You can work with 11. For this particular one, you see me, the one I'm putting on, I worked with 10. But because this place is already wide and the person I'm working with is fatter than, she has body than I do, so I'm using 11 here for her shoulder. And after marking that, where our sleeve will enter here, can you see, guys? So you come here and do your sleeve opening. So I'll be working with 6. or better still 6.5, depending on your preference. So if you are working with someone that is not fat at all, I used 5 for my own. So this is from here, right, to here. This is for your shoulder, and from here to here is your sleeve opening. So what you are going to do is just come down by 5 at most and connect. So from here, this is where you are going to be starting your triangle shape. So from here to here as your shoulder line, this is 11. From here to here I used 6.5, and from here to here I used 5. So from this you connect to the edge, and you ensure your material does not shift. So you connect to have that your triangle shape, and you take your ruler to connect to the edge. Connect to the edge. So see me doing like so. So cuts, guys. Okay. Okay. And your top is ready. So you open this. So see me doing like so to separate the front from the back, right? Separate the front from the back. So guys, when you get to the drawing machine, so after that you open. Can you see? Can you see, guys? So this is the after. When what you are going to do is you tape this, like you fold, or you can get a bias strip to to have this edge finished up. So what you are going to do is you open the way you see me doing, like so, and you are going to work with the hips. So what you're going to do is, we said 11 here, right? So you can just take a notch, okay, from here again, take a notch. So that's that for the shoulder, right? Sorry. So you take a notch here. It's very simple and easy. So you take a notch here also for your shoulder, right? And for your sleeve opening, guys, I said we are working with 6.5, right? So you take a notch again and take another notch here. You can do it together. It's because I've opened it, that's why I'm doing it separately. You can just do it on fold, okay? So notch it. So that means you are folding this with your bias strip. You are sewing this, right? So when you have folded, you have run your stitch to this point, you leave this place opened and you come here, you run your stitch. Okay, so you are going to now work with your client or yourself. You are using yourself or your client's hips. So you are going to come, what is your client's hip measurement? I'm working with 40. Okay, so you fold here, you fold here, like, I mean, you run your stitch. So we are assuming you run your stitch here and you run your stitch here. So from here, from this point now, you want to work with 20, right? So what do you have left? Have like 8 left. That means from here 4, from here 4. So what you are going to do is you run your stitch like this and you let it reach here. So that will give you this effects. And this side, what you are going to do is just you fold, you know, you run your stitch and your top is ready. So that's that about our triangle top. If there is any question, guys, you can just drop a comment below the video. Kindly like, share, follow me on all my social media handles, my Instagram, Good and Beauty Fashion Concept in my way. And if you want to chat me, you can chat me up on 0703167758. Drop a comment below. Please kindly engage on this video so that it can, you know, go viral, and, you know, subscribe to the channel so that whenever we drop a new tutorial, you'll be the first to see it. Thanks for watching. Bye.